Click on the Ghinger Health app icon to open it. Click on Sign Up. Type in your full name, mobile number, and email address in the appropriate fields. Click on Next. The app will process your details. When your registration is complete, you will see a confirmation. The app will return to the Sign Up page. Type in the mobile number and password you used to create the account and click on Login. You will be able to use the app to set up phone and video consultations, get discounts on medication, and more. Explore the app to understand its features and benefits. For more health videos, check out the Priority Health playlist on the Unity website. Thank you.